Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 10th class, we are dealing with the chapter Mineral and Power Resources. Yesterday we learned, my dear students, the distribution of minerals. We found where these minerals are located, in what kind of these rocks are they found. We learned that the different types of rocks like igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks, and sedimentary rocks, all these minerals are found this way or that way in these rocks. So today we will read the name of the countries, name of the continents, where these minerals are located. So first of all, the largest continent is Asia. So far as Asia is concerned, we will learn the different minerals which are found in Asia. China and India have large iron deposits. The continent produces more than half of the world's tin. India and China, these are the two neighboring countries of the Asian continent, and both have large iron deposits. The continent produces more than half of the world's tin. It is the continent of Asia that produces more than the half of world's tin. China, Malaysia, and Indonesia are among the world's leading tin producers. China also leads in the production of lead, antimony, and tungsten. Asia also has deposits of manganese, bauxite, nickel, zinc, and copper. Being the largest continent, the Asia has various these mineral deposits. As we know, India and China are two big countries, two large countries of this Asian continent. So various these mineral deposits are found in them. Then we have another continent, that is Europe. Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. The countries with large deposits of iron ore are Russia, Ukraine, Sweden, and France. These are the countries of European continent. So they are the leading producers of iron ore. Similarly, Russia, Ukraine, Sweden, and France have larger these areas of iron ore. Then mineral deposits of copper, lead, zinc, manganese, and nickel are found in Eastern Europe and European Russia. These are other mineral deposits like copper, lead, zinc, manganese, and nickel. They are also found in this continent. Then we have the other continent, that is North America. North America has mineral deposits located in 3 zones: the Canadian region, north of the Great Lakes, the Appalachian region, and the mountain ranges of the west. Iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium, and copper are mined in the Canadian Shield region. Coal in the Appalachian region. So various these minerals like iron ore, nickel, gold, and coal are found in ample quantity in North America. In South America, the country Brazil is the largest producer of iron ore in the world. So far as South America is concerned, the continent South America, the country Brazil is the largest producer of iron ore. Then we have Africa. Africa is the larger producer of diamond, gold, and platinum. African continent is the larger producer of diamond, gold, and platinum. Then we have Australia. Australia is the largest producer of bauxite, gold, and diamond. And then we have the another continent, that is Antarctica. Antarctica has these iron ore fields, gold, silver, and some other minerals. So, my dear students, today we learned that these minerals are distributed in different areas, in different parts of the world, in different parts in the inside earth, spread in different continents. So we learned that all the 7 continents are by one way or by the other rich in various minerals. So my dear students, we learned today the distribution of these minerals. Let us proceed ahead tomorrow. Khuda Hafiz.